Right, boys and girls, welcome back to another video today. So obviously all the downpipe stuff arrived. I think this is everything for it. So me and Sam will be creating this. Yes, I will attempt at trying to weld, but obviously it's going to probably be awful. So. But yeah, so we got everything we need. Nice big bit of pipe, you know, to lay down inside your note. But so we get that over there. We'll set up the camera and then we shall start welding up. Most of the video is going to be quite loud because the generator is going to be on, so I might have to talk over the clips on what we're actually doing. So, but we'll come to that. But for now, we'll obviously get the camera set up and show you what we're going to do. So this is sort of not how to, this is what you would sort of do to make your own custom downpipe for a fucked up all-wheel drive build like this. So I shall catch you in a second. Right, boys, so we got the turbo back on. Basically what we're going to do is we've got V-band in now. We're going to tack weld like one of these on, and we just marked out like the widest part of each pie cut. So obviously this will go round, 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 and then we'll put like a 90 bend in here, this. But obviously we'll have to chop off some of it. Then it go down and straight pipe, and then pie cuts again and so on. So I'm going to record over the top of it, but you're not going to be able to hear shit because you're going to have the generator going, the welder going. So I'll do a voiceover of what we're doing, and I'll try and get some close-ups while Sam's like welding and stuff and tack welding. But we're just going to use tack weld this pie cut onto the V-band so we can twist it around whatever shape we want, and then we'll just use tape and then take the tape over to here, weld it onto here and so on. So I'll try and get some good clips and stuff like that, but a lot of it you're not really going to be able to hear, so I'll just set the camera up and roll over the commentary. Alright boys, so obviously we got the first bit tack welded. So then just grab some tape and we're just gonna basically mask it off to make the curve.
We're just gonna basically tape each piece in place as like a sort of like a mock up, I guess, before we fully weld each piece in.
This sounds sticky. That's all right. Put the next piece or putting the 90 straight on?
I feel like we should cut the 90 down.
Were you putting the 90 on like, straight now?
Pretty much, like if you look at mine. My little pie cuts were smaller, but I had to use more of them. But you can see it pretty much just comes out.
Do you not want to put one more? Because I feel like that's not long enough.
Mine was sort of smaller.
This is what Sam looks like, as you can see.
Probably can't see anything, but yeah. Mine were like smaller, and I guess I used.
Yeah,
I put thinner. One.
I know you got 4 or 5 there before you even got into the 90.
But yours is obviously like out that much as well, really.
Yeah.
Obviously, like it doesn't have to.
I know, because then you want it to go further back past this.
Yeah, but that's why I think if we go too many bends, that 90 is then going to point it back towards the engine too much. In any case,
try it. Yeah, it needs to go like that then. Because you need to go more diagonal.
Plus you go over that clutch thing as well to make sure nothing falls in there. I reckon you cut like a mark out, cut like.
Yeah, boys, this is what we're cutting.
We've got 90. We're just going to cut probably still just a little bit after the bend, so we can still cut further back if we need to.
𝗙𝗵𝗲𝗯𝗍.
Let's get the old grinder out. And we're just to mark up like perfectly straight line.
Use the tape. Use the tape. Yeah, I think so. That'd be easy, right? If anyone says to me, that's his line, perfect fucking line. Oh, actually, saying that. Oh, it's just that one little bit from the first.
Which doesn't matter. We're angle grinding. It's not going to be perfect.
Where is that? That's how your line should look, you know?
You just need to learn how to just send it.
Yeah, I can't. It costs me too much money.
Stick it all the way down. And you go straight.
Oh yeah, it's only going to be fucking held in.
Yeah.
Right, boys. Obviously, we all know that I ripped my phone open angle grinding, so we all know that I'm not going to do this part because I can't be trusted with any fucking power tools nowadays. So.
You know what the goggles are as well?
Oh yeah, I'll find them in a sec. We've actually now made up the bend, so we just cut a straight piece and put this on, so this go like here. So how it look, and it go 7 holes there. Obviously you can see it goes all the way back there. Obviously I'll have to put like shit over this and cover some up, put some heat shield in, blah blah blah, but you know the drill. So we're gonna tack weld this up now. I may give it an attempt and try and tack weld, but you know, Sam didn't bring any goggles, so no, me, I won't close my eyes whilst looking straight inside of it. But yeah, so yeah, so hopefully it'll be alright.
Sort of like brace yourself into it, like so brace yourself into the or whatever. That's fine now? Yeah, that's it. That was like pretty much a really long to get the higher. That is? Yeah. Alright? So it's a little longer. Man, like these, you know?
Pull it too hard.
Yeah, just pull it.
Just pull it, eh?
Line this up with me first, so I can hold it.
Yeah.
Yeah, just so it's like strong, just in case it gets knocked in the car or something. How do we do the bottom bit then, or is that like in another video, or?
No, we just sort of
Not too bad actually.
yeah.
I think it's just a cut actually. I think it's just a cut on this.
Yeah.
So,
Just need to fill it in, yeah. We'll fill it. We'll put a tack on each one
look,
down
that
this
one
side.
See inside.
Yeah, it doesn't matter too much. We'll put tacks all the way along here because we haven't done that.
Right boys, so we got like a lot of this tack word up. We did quite a bit off camera because it's very cold and like you can't really see much because it's getting dark now. But obviously this is going to fit pretty much all the way down there. The transfer case is on so you can actually see like they go round. So we're going to lay some pipe quick. Look at that. That's precision engineering right there. So that will be very good. Look at that. Look at that. Fucking men, boys, it's fucking freezing though. Look at my little reindeer nose. That's COVID sniff, that. Reindeer nose. Oh, right boys, so that's like the end of like part one because it got too cold, it was getting dark, and I'm now working for like the next 2 weekends. Sam's only available on weekends, so if I can get done this weekend, I will try, but it's currently Sunday the 16th, we did this on the 15th, so I'm probably just gonna end the video here and start a fresh one for part 2, because there's still a bit more to do, and in part 2 I might just do the rest of the exhaust as well, but we shall see. So if you did enjoy the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.